Jai Shri Gurudev. So in last class we already discussed some problems in exercise 1.3, okay, and some other problems. Question number 6. Write the following as intervals. Okay, already told intervals. 4 types of intervals already told. Close interval, open interval, okay. Open, close, open, already told now. How to write this one? See, I will tell you. First question, okay. So, exercise that close interval means like this, you have to specify. Open means like this. Equals to symbol is there, you have to use this symbol. Open is not equals to symbol. Equals to symbol is not there, you have to use second one. Okay, now see how we can write it. Here x such that x belongs to R minus 4 less than x less than or equals to 6. Okay, first you write the numbers minus 4 to 6. Minus 4 to 6. Okay, now here equals to symbol is not there. But equals to symbol is not there. That's why you have to use this open interval like this. Open interval. Okay, now. Here equals to symbol is there 6. That's why I have to write like this. This is the interval. Like that you have to write. Closed equals to symbol is there. You have to write like this. Okay. Open not there. Okay. Next we'll move like this. Minus 12 comma minus 10. Minus 12 comma minus 10. Okay. Here equals to symbol is not there. That's why open interval. Here also not there. Open interval. Both are open intervals. Next, we will move to next one. 0, comma 7. 0, comma 7. Okay. 0, comma 7. Here equals to symbol is there. See, equals to symbol is there. That's why I had to write like this. Here equals to symbol is not there. I had to write like this. Okay, now next we will move to this one. 3 less than or equals to 3 less than or equals to x less than or equals to 4. In both cases, all equals to symbol is there. That's why 3, 4 greater than. See here, close interval. Greater than, less than or equals to less than or equals to. Equals to symbol is there. Okay, that's why 3, 4 both sides are close interval. You have to consider. So what is the technique, sir? Tell me, sir. Any technique means if you not understood also very easy. Okay. What is the technique means? Okay. If equals to symbol is not there, you have to use this type of. This is called open interval. If equals to symbol is there, you have to use like this. Okay. Na? This type of symbol. Equals to is there. This type of symbol. Equals to not there, you have to use this. This is very easy. Okay. Next, we will move to the next problem. See, my dear students, we will move to the next problem called question number 7. Write the following intervals in set builder form. Set builder form. Set builder form already done no previous problem. Ulta madibare. So interval given set builder form. Exercise that x belongs to R. Already written no. So many problems. Last problem. Ulta. Here already told open interval means not equals to equal. Close means equals to equal. Okay na? X such that x belongs to R. This is common to R. Elladu common madkodi. X such that x belongs to R. Elladu same bari. Okay na? Nodi. Minus 3. Okay. Less than x less than 0. Here equals to. Use equals to should not use. Why? Because here open interval. See, both are open. That's why don't use equal interval. Equal symbol. Only less than. Enough. Okay, very easy question. Okay, we'll move to the second question. X such that x belongs to R. X such that x belongs to R. It is common for all. Okay. Comma. Tell me, where to where? 6 to 12. 6 less than x less than 12. Okay, 6 to 12. Here, observe this one. How it will be? ನೋಡಿ, greater than 2 less ಸರಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇ, ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಸಿಂಬಲ್ should use. So equals to or should be like that. Okay, next we will move to the next one. X such that x belongs to R, x such that x belongs to R, 6 same 6 less than x less than 12. Okay na, here observe 6 less than 12. Okay na, here at 6 open interval is there, that's why don't use equal symbol. Here at 12 the bounded value hatra e closed interval is there, closed interval is there, that's why where you have to use the equal symbol, here only here you have to use the equal symbol. artha aida ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ನೀವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು equal symbol na. Okay, next we will move to the next question. X such that x belongs to R, x such that x belongs to R, x such that x belongs to R. So minus 23 to 5, minus 23 ಇಂದ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, don't be confused. Okay, minus 23 less than x less than 5. Okay, write down like this. Later see here in 23 at first 23 close interval is there, here open interval is there, that's why where you have to use the equal symbol, here only, here equal to symbol, here only less than symbol. Understood or not? Very easy. Okay, so ನೋಡಿ ಈ ತರ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಈ ತರ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಈ ತರ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಮೂವ್ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಓಕೆ, see my dear students, we will move to the next questions. What universal sets would you propose for each of the following? Okay na, so here two sets are given, universal set already told now, so we have to propose one universal set for these two things. ಇವೆರಡು ಎಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಾವು ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿ, ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, the set of right angles, triangles. Okay, right triangles ಅಲ್ಲ, right triangles. The set of right triangles. Okay, right triangles and the set of isosceles triangles. See, how to propose the universal set for these things. The set of right angle triangles is right angle triangles. The set of isosceles triangles. So ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ means set the universal set is equals to set of all triangles. So this is the set of all triangles. This is a universal set for these two things. Why? Because if we take set of all triangles ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ? ಸೊ ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ರೈಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಐಸೋಸೆಲೆಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಈಕ್ವಲೇಟರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಲ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ in can put in one stock file, means that is not set of all triangles, ಎಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಸೆಟ್. ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಾ? ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಇರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫೈ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಟು values should be present this set also. ಇದರೊಳಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ this is the proposal for the universal set. This is the universal set for these two sets. Understood or not? Very easy. Okay, next we will move to the next question. So my dear students, we will move to the next question called 9th one. Given the sets A set is given 1, 3, 5, B set 2, 4, 6 and C set 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, which of the following may be considered as universal set for all these three sets A, B, C? Okay, you have to find out the universal set. Universal set na find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇದರೊಳಗಿರೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. 1 is there, okay, right? 2 is there, right? Out 2. 3 is there, 3. 4 is there, 4. 6, 4, 5 not there, 5 is there, 5. 6 is there, 0 is also there. 0 is right first. 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 is not there. Leave it. 8 is there. 8. So all these elements should present in one set. So if you observe this one, 0 to 6 only is there. 8 is not there. That's why this is a wrong. This is not the answer. Okay. Pi is also not answer. Why? Because pi is a empty set. Okay. We will move to the third one. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So all these elements present in here. This set now. So therefore this is the answer. Why sir? This is not the answer. Sir, why sir? This is not the answer. Means 0 is not there here. See. ಇದರೊಳಗೆ 0 ಇಲ್ಲ. 0 ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು? This is not a set. Okay na? So my dear students. So ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಗೊತ್ತಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Universal set means what? So ಏನು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಗಿವೆನ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ. In that case only we can tell that universal set. Okay? Universal set ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? So my dear students, if you like this video means please share and subscribe to your friends and colleagues. Okay. If you have any doubt, means please call to me. Otherwise you can message through WhatsApp. Okay. So otherwise you can make a video and you can send. I'll clarify the doubts. Okay. Go through this one. This is universal set, already discussed universal set and all this. Thank you.